JAMB 2026 candidates, you are welcome to today's lesson under calculation of physics for JAMB UTME preparation. All right. So today we are looking at work done in a spring. That's using what? Hooke's law. Work done in a spring using Hooke's law. All right. Do where to what? Send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay. If you have anything that you need, send me a message on WhatsApp. All right. 66657. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number. All right. So send me a message. Do you need a last minute preparation plan, or you need short, concise lesson or straight to the point, or you need the book 72 hours to JAMB UTME? Hit me up on WhatsApp. All right. So let's get into the business. JAMB must repeat question 1. The question reads: a spring of force constant K equal to 200 Newton meters is stretched by 0.1 meter. Calculate the work done on the string. Okay. The same will find work done now. If you don't know another wahala will go enter. First of all, after reading a physics calculation question, the next thing you do is what? Check if you can manipulate the answer by looking at the options. What units are the options represented in? All right. If you look at the units, then you can figure out if you can manipulate it or if you can't manipulate it. Here, they don't even put any unit at all. They don't even put any units. But the unit of work done is joule. All right. But they don't put units. First of all, maybe write out what they give us. Okay. We were given what? First of all, let's put down what they said we should find. They said we should find work done. Okay. Work done. All right. So we are going to write work done is equal to question mark. So this is what we are looking for. This work done, question mark. All right. What else were we given? We were given what? This constant. Okay. Force constant. Okay. Which is what? 200 Newton. Okay. K is equal to 200 Newton. What else were we given? We were given is stretched by 0.1 meter. Okay. 0.1 meter is stretched by 0. This one is the what? This particular one is what? The extension. Okay. The extension is equal to 0.1 meters. Okay. And they said we should find what? We should find the what? The work done. Okay. On the spring. Work done on the spring. Okay. Let's consider this. Okay. The Hooke's law. Using Hooke's law. You are going to use Hooke's law for this. Okay. Hooke's law states that the extension of a string or a spring is directly proportional to the applied force or load. Okay. That's what we are trying to say is that the applied force or load, which is the work done, okay, is equal to 1/2. That's half K S squared. Okay. This K is for constant. This S is for extension squared. So the extension of a string is directly proportional to the work done or the load or force applied. All right. So what are we going to do? First of all, let's check if we have all the constituents of this Hooke's law formula. Do we have it here? We were given S. Look at it here. We were given K. Look at it here. All right. So let's substitute. W, which is work done, is equal to what? W is equal to K. Okay, half K. Half K, which is what? 200 Newton. Okay. 200 Newton. We have to put times here. Brackets. Okay. We have to put bracket because we are having another square here. Bracket 0.1. 0.1. Bracket close squared. All right. So we are left with this. Let's bring it down so that we see it properly. W is equal to, this one is our work done, is equal to half times 200. Bracket open 0.1. Bracket close squared. All right. So we are now going to be left with W is equal to what? Let's open this bracket first. 0.1 times 0.1 will give us what? 0.1. 1 times 200 will give us 200. Okay. 200 times 0.1 will give us 2. Over what do we have as the denominator? 2. Therefore, our work done is equal to 2/2. The 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. Okay. Work done is equal to 1. All right. So this is the final answer. Work done equal to 1 joule. Among the options, which of the options is correct? Which of the options is correct? That's an easy mark. JAMB 2026 candidates, you are welcome to our calculation lesson today. We are taking all the topics suggested by JAMB one after the other. We are almost done. We don't near half. We don't near half. So get ready. If you need the sharp plan to blast JAMB UTME, send me a message on WhatsApp. Or you need any other assistance, you want to join my direct mentorship, you want me to help you score 280 and above in JAMB UTME. Even though say na 3 weeks you get left for your preparation, even though say na 2 weeks you get left for your preparation, I can still do it for you. I can still help you. Send me a message to my WhatsApp. All road leads to my what? My WhatsApp number. Our topic for today is temperature scale conversion. Temperature scale conversion. The first question we have here, JAMB must repeat question 1. The question reads, convert 27 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. We are converting now from what? Degrees Celsius to what? Kelvin. All right, let's use double. To Kelvin. Okay. Degrees Celsius to what? Kelvin. All right. How are we going to do this? They gave us what? 27 degrees Celsius as the what? The parameter to use to convert to what? Kelvin. We are converting this to Kelvin. First of all, you know how? The first thing to do now to quickly write the formula. These are the options. You can see the options that we're given. Okay. So let's quickly write the formula for converting from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Kelvin is equal to what? 0, that's degree Celsius, that's degree, plus 273. Okay. So if we substitute, we bring our 27 degrees into here, we are now going to get Kelvin equal to degrees Celsius 27 plus 273. Okay, therefore our Kelvin is now equal to what? 27 plus 273, that's 300 Kelvin. Among the option, which is correct? Option C is correct. Easy mark, easy mark, easy mark. I will make it so easy for you. JAMB must repeat question 2. The question reads, convert 95 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now we are converting degree Fahrenheit to what? Celsius, degree Celsius. This one, no be like this one, you know, easy like this one, but it is easy. Let me teach you. All you have to do, first of all, write out the formula. To convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, has a different formula from converting from degree Celsius back to degree Fahrenheit. Let's write out the formula to convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. That's from this to this. All right. So we are looking for degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is equal to 5/9, bracket open, degree Fahrenheit minus 32, bracket close. So this is the formula to convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. All right. So our what? Degree Celsius is equal to, we substitute now, brackets, 5/9, bracket open. What is our degree Fahrenheit? Our degree Fahrenheit that was given to us is 95 minus 32, bracket close. So this is what we are going to have. So what are we going to do? We are going to simplify. All right, simplifying, we are going to get this. First of all, we solve the brackets. Remember bod mass, solve brackets, bod mass, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So this is bod mass. Okay, apply bod mass. Okay, so we are going to do the bracket. When we solve the bracket, what are we going to get? We are going to get 63. Okay, 63. Degree Celsius is equal to what? 5/9, bracket, or times 63. 63, bracket close. Okay, therefore we are now going to be left with what? 5 times 63 will give us 315. Okay, over 9. Therefore our degree Celsius is equal to over 9 divided by 9 will give us what? Will give us 35 degrees. Okay, or 35. Okay, so among the option, which is the correct option? Help me pick the correct option. Drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Is this not an easy mark? This is an easy mark, my JAMB UTME candidate 2026. Now let's look at the JAMB must repeat question 3. That's converting from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. All right. JAMB must repeat question 3 under what? Temperature scale conversion. The question reads, convert 35 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, these are the options provided. Okay, all options represented in Fahrenheit. Okay, first of all, we're given 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, degrees Celsius equal to 35. Okay, Fahrenheit, that's what we are looking for, question mark. But no need to write on this one since the parameters no many. Okay, so what are we going to do? We now need the formula to convert from degree Celsius to what? To degree Fahrenheit. Okay, what are we going to do? We write out the formula. Because we are looking for degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit, you have to know all this formula is equal to 9/5. Unlike converting from degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, that is 5/9. This one is 9/5. You will now put degree Celsius inside bracket. Only degree Celsius will be inside bracket. Plus, you will now put plus 32. Okay, as easy as this, easy peasy. Remember, when converting from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, it is minus 32. Okay, but now we are doing what? Plus 32. Okay, so what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We are going to do what? Substitute, then we simplify. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5. Look at this one. We put what we have inside bracket. Don't forget this bracket. If you make small mistake, you go fail on 35. Bracket close. Okay, plus 32. Here now we are going to apply what? Board mass. Okay, board mass. If you don't apply board mass, you will not get it. You will not get it correctly. All right. So applying board mass, we are going to be left with degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9. We are going to times this by this. In the board mass, what do we have? First of all, let's just apply the board mass. This stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. What do we have here? Brackets. That's we are going to do the bracket first. Okay. What do we have in the bracket? 35. Okay. So since we don't have anything to solve inside the bracket, it's only 35 that is there. We move over to the next, which is what? Off. Off means what? Times. Off. Anywhere you see off, like this. Off. 5/7. It means 5 times 7. Okay. Don't forget that. Okay, that's what off means. So we are going to do multiplication. Where do we have multiplication? Here is here, between 9 and 35. So we are going to do 9 times 35. 9 times 35. Okay, 9 times 35. Okay, then over 5. Let's put our over 5. Okay, what do we have next? We have division. Okay, in the board mass. Okay, so let's put our number plus 32. We bring our 32 down. Okay, degree Fahrenheit, we are applying division next. 9 divided by 5 times 35 will give us 63. Okay, it will give us 63 equal to 63. Then we bring this one plus 32. Our degree Fahrenheit, therefore, we are now going to apply what? Addition next. Okay, no multiplication. We don't get multiplication here again. Now we call apply addition. Okay, then you apply subtraction. There's subtraction. So no multiplication again, no subtraction. It's only addition that is there. Okay, so we are now going to add up. Okay, 63 plus 32 will give us 95. 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we just converted. So among the options, where is the correct options among the options? Select the correct option and drop it in the comment section. JAMB 2026 candidates, this is an easy mark. No lose guard. See you in my DM. Let me coach you, let me mentor you so that you can blast this JAMB UTME 2026. I have all you need, I have what it takes. Let's go!